Hey everyone, this is the unboxing, the only one I thought I had, but I'm starting to like this format here. This one took forever. I ordered this before all the other unboxings there were. We're talking over 6 weeks for this thing, so keep that in mind when ordering from these guys. I don't know if they offer a better shipping or not. They included free shipping on their store. I mean, this is why I have my box cutter. Look how well it's taped up. So this is my second package from these guys. Dixit and Zach, Hyraceum, if you will. So yeah, this thing is taped up like crazy. Been waiting for this. Like I'm last to the party on it. I ordered it almost the day it went up. I just knew. And I'm gonna do a separate video on why and in detail. So look forward to that. Basically why I'll blind buy this kind of stuff, not just from these guys, but other guys. And it ties into my Leukoturn talk that I had. I'm just going to put well thought into it to be a whole separate video on the subject of why I feel comfortable doing that stuff. I can't wait for this thing. All right. I don't know how it made this far from India. Definitely all ground over 6 weeks. Corn nuts, it's tight in there. Playing around with lighting here too, so I hate corn nuts so bad, whatever they are. All right, I don't know if this is it. This isn't. A little bit of oud love there. These look fantastic. See if I get aroma from the bag. These are just oud chips that I'll burn. Nice. And then I forgot what this is. This is heavy duty. It's been so long I forgot. Oh, this is just, oh, sweet. Wow. So this is how they protect their stuff. I only ordered one thing. If you have multiple, that's nice. So that's how they get away with the shipping. This is the best protected thing I've seen. This is really hard plastic. Okay. This is Hind tobacco on their site. Frick, that's fantastic. A tar. That'll be separate video. I'm not going to put it on. I'm going to put on. I'm putting on two things. I'm going to do two separate videos here. I hope two things. He said he'd send me the other one. You'll know. You already know what it's titled. Okay, I know what this is. We'll open that in the next video. All right, let's get to this thing. Got the cardboard box here. I asked for this specially right here. This is Emperor Hind. The notes, I don't remember. Again, it was literally right when I got news of this was from somebody that keeps up on all this. They commented on it. And I asked them, like, hey, I have an order from you. Can I get a sample of this stuff? He's like, I will. And I didn't know samples are pretty expensive, so this is pretty generous here. So it's an atomizer. Look at the juice. I cannot wait for this one. All right, let's just get to the show here. Three sprays. It really only needed one spray. I'm doing three. Wow. Oh. It's got everything. Dark oud. Ambergris. Agate castoreum. This is, I don't even want to put this up. I'm going to go sit down and look for this bottle as I edit this video. Folks, this is fantastic. This is next level. Without even, yeah, I'll wear one spray at a time. I'll get my 5 wearings. I will do a full review and score on this. All I can say is it's fantastic. The oud's animalic, beautiful, bright. It's got your citrus top on it. It's medicinal. It's got everything that you want in a perfume. The darker stuff, the darker ingredients. I'm sure. I don't remember a note. Let's see if notes are even here before I look at it. I mean, I swear it's got the vetiver. It's got the patchouli. It's got sandalwood. It's got ambergris for sure. the oud is just buoyant. It's like bobbling, like a floating thing in the ocean would do. On this, it's got citrus top. I'm trying to name the flower. I want to say some Osmanthus in it, maybe labdanum. Oh, geez, this is good. We need new words. It's good. The notes are right here, so I didn't look at notes without that. That's I just know this is packed with love. This is packed with the earth's goodness and oils that you're not going to get from your local housewife or your local mama that's selling those EOs. This is above and beyond those. Top, lemon, pink grapefruit. So grapefruit, that's citrus, lemon. Sweet orange, osmanthus, rose, jasmine. They're all there. They're all there. I have another unboxing coming. And you'll see what it is, but it's actually I have to wait for that one because it's got a lot of the same ingredients. This has got Java Patchouli, Jasmine, Belle, Indian Champaca, and the Champaca's hidden. Again, this is something you spend days with. You spend 5 rains with this. I can already tell it's going to transition like nobody's business. This is the next level of perfumery. Dixit and Zach are playing on another level. Talked about it. I'm bringing them up. I'm putting attention on them. They're playing on another level that nobody's playing with. I wear this stuff to go into Nordstrom's. I wear this stuff to go into my local malls and designer stores so everybody follows me like, what is that? What do you have? And I'm like, you're not going to get it here. This is the real deal. This is the real deal. This is the next level of perfume. Sad fact is if mass population knew and was educated on this, like it would become unaffordable and unattainable. That's kind of the other video that I'm gonna do. I'm kind of glad where we're at as a community, just people that are bonded together by this love, by this pureness of just olfactory goodness, the resin goodness, that get what these scents from the earth are, that grasp it. Because if it was mass, there's just not enough of this, and that has to do with some good thoughts in the industry, and that they make sense. And there's no way to put this in the malls across the world. There's just not. We're lucky to get it at the prices we're getting at. I mean, for Crete to make their profits and keep that guy in his fancy suits and fancy houses over there, this is 10 times the amount, and that's easy. That's just easy. We're talking some of the markups are sometimes 1,000 times per ingredient versus markup, what they're calling them. That's how ridiculous it is, and we're lucky. Okay, this is not about Randy, this is about this perfume. I didn't even read the base layers. Hindi oud. Yeah, the oud's there. Don't get turned off by the Hindi. It's, again, this is what Hindi oud can do to compositions. The rose, the grapefruit, everything just calms and lets it play like just almost like a playful animal, you know? When you see them tamed at circuses and shows and they're cute, kind of like that's what these ingredients are doing, is taming that dark oud and just makes it so enjoyable and shows its beauty off, shows its animalistic beauty off. You know, it can strike and kill at any time, but when it has these great ingredients around it, it's just this fluffy thing you want to love and cuddle up to. And that's how it wears out on your skin. Sandalwood, frankincense, myrrh, olibanum, amber fossil, musk, ambergris, there it is, Styrax, Hyraceum, Civet, I think this is real Civet too, Saffron, Onchya shells, Himalayan spikenard. This is good. I'm in bliss. I'm in bliss. This is a transforming scent. This is just gorgeous. I hope it's not sold out already. It's been up for like 3 weeks. I've seen bottles of this. It just takes me so long to get it. Holy moly. You guys into the animals and strong perfumes. Check that out. Let's put that up. Yeah, this is going to transition. I could do this video all day. This I already know where this is going. This is one of those that note upon note upon note I could just do. Anyways, let's. I'm gonna shut this off and review the other video on this arm, and I hope I can. I hope this is just putting me in a coma of love. I mean, I just want to sit down and relax now. This literally, when I talk about the mental stuff, the mental mindsets, it's this stuff. It just instantly, my mind is just going to a place of joy, place of happiness. And I just want to chill and really bask in this. And then I get this creativity. I mean, it's where most of my Instagram's from. It's where most of the graphics that I've been putting up in the videos from. When I do logos for people, when I do branding for people, when I do business, this is the stuff I'm wearing. I can already tell. I want to bask in this. It's amazing stuff. I can't. There's so much going on. It's a pool to dive into. Yeah, the Osmanthus, the Saffron, it's creating that bubble that I want to be in. Those are just two players. And Ambergris that just create a scent, the scent bubble I want to carry all the time. And the Hindi oud in here it's packed. It's got lots of Hindi oud. It's got some darn good sandalwood in here. They didn't say Mysore. I'm going to email and ask if it's not. They can attain the authentic stuff. And that's a big deal when it's authentic because it is limited. And a lot of people are using that kind of loosely and they shouldn't be. But these guys have access to the real deal. Jeez, it's got to be. I want to say it's Mysore. I'm getting the animalic, pungent, just goodness of the real deal. It's so good, so good. Citrus is settling down. The grapefruit's staying. The lemon's almost gone. And my goodness, jasmine's there. Rose is a backbone. There's enough there. I can get the rose, but it's just playing. Everything's playing along, forming that accord of love, forming that accord of goodness. I'm going to end it here. I'm going to get 5 ratings on this. I need a score on the channel. This stuff, I already know it's going to live in that high up category. Dixit and Zach need to get attention. They've got it. I mean, they're getting the crew, but somehow I'm able to bring a lot of mainstream people into this, and I want to. My thought is I want them creating more stuff, pushing their boundaries. This is bottle number. No, this is only a sample. Next video will be a bottle. But so that's my second bottle from them. My first one was Brinadan. I got the name wrong or not. There's an Instagram of it. I'll do a full score of it. I don't know if I got it. I know I didn't get it up, but I got an Instagram post of it. Anyways, I'm out. Be blessed. Another unboxing.